Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Office of Governor. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The role, powers and discretion of the governor's office in multiple states have been the subject of constitutional, political and legal debate for decades. Now let's discuss about governor. He is the constitutional head of the state, bound by the advice of his Council of Ministers. He functions as a vital link between the union government and the state government. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, referring to the governor's position as ornamental, called his powers limited and nominal. According to the Judiciary Commission, the governor is the linchpin of the constitutional apparatus of the state. Now moving on to the constitutional provisions. Article 153. One person can be appointed as governor for 2 or more states. Article 155. The governor of a state shall be appointed by the president by warrant under his hand and seal. Article 163. The Council of Ministers of a state, with the Chief Minister as the head, should aid and advise the governor in carrying out his functions. Article 174. The governor can also summon, prorogue and dissolve the Legislative Assembly. And Article 200. Every bill passed in an assembly has to be sent to the governor. Now let's have a look at the viewpoint of judiciary and various commissions. S.R. Bommai case in 1994. The imposition of President's rule shall be only in the event of a breakdown of constitutional machinery. The Supreme Court ruled out that the floor of the Assembly should be the only forum that should test the majority of the government of the day. Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab in 1974. The President and Governor shall exercise their formal constitutional powers only upon and in accordance with the advice of their ministers. Administrative Reforms Commission 1968. It recommended that the report of the governor regarding the President's rule has to be objective and also the governor should exercise his own judgment in this regard. And Sarkaria Commission 1988. It would not be desirable to appoint a governor who is a member of the ruling party at the center in a state where an opposition party is governing. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the post of governor. 1. He is the constitutional head of the state. 2. He shall be appointed by the president by warrant under his hand and seal. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.